Today we're diving into something absolutely insane. Something that doesn't just redefine luxury motorhomes, but completely dominates the expedition category.
Welcome back to PrimeDrive Reviews 2026. If you love seeing the most extreme, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. This is the Freightliner Royal Titan 20x20 Mansion Motorhome, an ultra-premium hyper-mansion motorhome concept designed for those who believe luxury should never stop at the driveway. It's enormous, it's extravagant, and it completely redefines what a motorhome can be. From the very first glance, the presence of this machine is overwhelming. The proportions alone make it clear that this is not a typical RV. The body stretches out with extreme bus-length dimensions, and the stance is towering and dominant. The exterior design follows the heavy-duty American truck styling that Freightliner is famous for, but it has been elevated to a completely new level of luxury. The entire body is finished in a deep obsidian black metallic paint that looks almost like liquid glass. Under showroom lighting, the mirror-like gloss reflects every beam of light, giving the motorhome an almost futuristic presence. The front fascia is where the Royal Titan truly establishes its authority. A massive vertical chrome grille dominates the front, framed by thick chrome bars that shine like polished armor. Surrounding that grille are aggressive LED matrix headlights paired with bright daytime running lights that give the motorhome a sharp, high-tech identity. The chrome bumper beneath it adds to the premium look while also reinforcing the vehicle's rugged expedition capability. Above the windshield, amber roof marker lights create that classic American heavy truck personality, but here they're integrated into a far more refined luxury design. Moving along the sides of the Royal Titan reveals just how extraordinary the scale of this vehicle really is. The body is massively extended, creating a truly gigantic motorhome silhouette. Long panoramic windows run across the length of the cabin, tinted for privacy while still allowing natural light to flood the interior. Polished chrome side trims run horizontally along the body panels, breaking up the deep black paint and adding visual elegance. Integrated storage compartments sit seamlessly within the lower body panels, ensuring the design remains clean and uninterrupted. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping feature of this exterior is the massive 20x20 wheel configuration. Each side is equipped with gigantic heavy-duty wheels fitted with polished chrome rims and premium off-road expedition tires. These wheels aren't just there for style. They emphasize the motorhome's ability to conquer almost any terrain. Whether crossing deserts, highways, or remote mountain roads, this hyper-mansion motorhome is designed to move like a luxury expedition fortress. Before stepping inside, the entry area itself deserves attention. A large automatic luxury door opens smoothly to reveal illuminated electric steps that extend toward the ground. Soft LED lighting surrounds the entrance, creating a welcoming glow that contrasts beautifully with the obsidian black exterior. Even this simple transition area feels like entering a five-star luxury residence rather than a vehicle. Once inside, the first major space you encounter is the Grand Lounge area, and this is where the Royal Titan truly transforms into a rolling luxury mansion. The design language of the interior is directly inspired by the exterior colors. Deep black leather seating dominates the room, accented by chrome trims and glossy dark wood panels. Large panoramic windows on both sides fill the space with natural light, while ambient LED lighting lines the ceiling and floor edges, creating a calm and sophisticated atmosphere. At the center of the lounge sits a luxury marble coffee table, surrounded by executive-style sofas that look more like furniture from a luxury penthouse than from an RV. A massive, ultra-thin display screen is mounted on the wall, providing entertainment for long journeys. Subtle Freightliner Royal Titan branding appears on wall panels and trim pieces, reminding passengers that this is a custom-built hyper-mansion motorhome rather than a conventional camper. Before we continue exploring this extraordinary machine, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most insane luxury vehicles right here on PrimeDrive Reviews. Continuing deeper into the motorhome reveals the private master bedroom suite. This space feels like a luxury hotel room on wheels. A king-size bed sits at the center, framed by a large leather headboard and surrounded by soft ambient lighting. The color palette continues the obsidian black theme with chrome accents and elegant wood cabinetry. Storage compartments are hidden behind sleek panels, ensuring the room remains uncluttered and stylish. A large panoramic window sits beside the bed, fitted with smart glass technology that can darken instantly for privacy. Soft carpeting covers the floor, and the ceiling features futuristic lighting panels that create a calm, relaxing atmosphere. It's a bedroom designed not just for sleeping, but for complete comfort during long journeys across continents. Adjacent to the bedroom is the compact yet luxurious mini washroom. Even though the space is smaller than a traditional bathroom, it still carries the same ultra-premium feel found throughout the motorhome. Black marble walls and chrome fixtures dominate the design. The sink is crafted from polished stone, paired with sleek chrome faucets and a beautifully illuminated mirror framed by LED lighting. Every detail, from the storage cabinets to the PREM-IUM toilet system, is designed to feel high-end and refined. Moving forward through the cabin brings us into the luxury kitchen area. This space looks like something you would expect in a modern luxury apartment rather than in a motorhome. Black marble countertops stretch across the workspace, paired with integrated chrome appliances. An induction cooktop sits flush with the counter surface, while a hidden refrigerator and freezer are built seamlessly into the cabinetry under cabinet. LED lighting illuminates the counters, making the kitchen both functional and visually stunning. High-gloss cabinets provide plenty of storage while maintaining a sleek appearance. The large window above the counter allows natural light to pour, making cooking on the road feel less like a necessity and more like a premium lifestyle experience. Toward the front of the motorhome sits the driver cockpit, and this area reflects the bold, heavy truck heritage of Freightliner while adding layers of futuristic technology. The cockpit features a massive digital dashboard filled with high-resolution displays showing navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and driving data. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, surrounded by brushed chrome trim panels. Luxury captain seats provide exceptional comfort for long drives, and the enormous panoramic windshield offers a commanding view of the road ahead. Aviation-style switches and advanced control systems give the driver full command over every system in the motorhome, from climate control to suspension adjustments. Finally, we take a look at the powerhouse that moves this gigantic machine forward. Under the hood sits a massive heavy-duty diesel engine designed to deliver enormous torque and long-distance reliability. The engine bay is clean and beautifully engineered, with polished metal components, thick industrial hoses, and advanced cooling systems that ensure optimal performance even under heavy loads. Despite its enormous size, the Royal Titan is expected to deliver impressive highway stability and strong towing capability. Advanced suspension systems, multi-axle traction control, and powerful braking technology all work together to keep this massive motorhome safe and manageable on the road. When it comes to pricing, a hyper-mansion motorhome of this scale would naturally sit at the very top of the luxury RV market. Entry-level configurations of the Royal Titan concept could start somewhere around $2.5 million, while fully customized versions equipped with all luxury features could easily climb to $4 or even $5 million depending on personalization options and interior materials. This means the Royal Titan isn't just a motorhome. It's a symbol of ultimate luxury mobility, combining the rugged heritage of American trucking with the comfort of a five-star luxury residence. And that brings us to the end of today's incredible journey with the Freightliner Royal Titan 20x20 Mansion Motorhome. If you enjoyed exploring this ultra-luxury rolling mansion, make sure you subscribe to PrimeDrive Reviews, like this video, and share it with anyone who loves insane luxury vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review, where we uncover even more extraordinary machines built for the road ahead.